Hey guys, it's Deborah Jen here, and I have to tell you about my favorite affordable blush, okay? It's this J.Cat Blush Me Cheeky palette, and you get 8 wonderful, creamy, buttery blushes in a very, very affordable blush palette. This palette is just the best. The formula truly is so buttery smooth and just goes on without any chalkiness, no streaks in sight. It just goes on so smooth, and it has every color of blush you're really ever going to need. So you're really getting a ton of bang for your buck, and you're really not spending that much buck. So like double whammy there. Now, I am a big fan of blushes. I feel like blush can really change the shape of your face. I like to blush the center of my cheeks here to kind of bring the eyes forward and just make the whole face look more like, I always describe it as just like, it just makes you look so cute. But this blush palette is it for me, fam. It's so affordable. It's got every color you need for any different look. I like to switch up the colors of my blush depending on my eye look. Today I used this more red color right here because it is the holiday season, so I am looking for a much rosier cheek than usual. But as you can see, it's got a different blush for every type of look, so no matter what kind of look you're going for, you're going to find the blush for you. And at this price, you really, really can't go wrong. I just have to give it a 10 out of 10. It's just chef's kiss.